A320 potable water system. Filling without electrical power. Open the potable water service panel. There is no light and no indication on the gauge. Open the potable water fill and drain port. Open the tank drain access panel and open the overflow valve handle to the open position. Connect the fill hose to the potable water fill and drain port. Turn the fill and drain control handle to the fill position and pull it out. Start the pump on the service vehicle. The quantity indicator will show no change in water quantity. When the tank is full, water will flow out from the tank overflow port. Stop the pump on the service vehicle and push the fill and drain control handle in and turn it to the normal position. Note, the handle does not return to the normal position automatically. Disconnect the fill hose from the potable water fill and drain port. Close the tank overflow valve with the handle. Clean and dry the fill and drain port. Put the cap on the potable water fill and drain port. Clean and dry the service panel area and the tank drain panel area. Close the tank drain and service panel and check for leaks because leaks are not permitted.